Hi, Vlad.
Hi, Christina. Hi.
You were talking earlier about a lot of research into new drugs, how it's extended life, and certainly in my case, it's extended mine quite a bit. Is there any research into actually curing metastatic cancer, or is the nature of it being metastatic impossible to cure?
Well, the ultimate goal is to cure it, so that's what we're all hoping to. Unfortunately, the nature of the advanced disease is that it just becomes resistant to whatever we throw at it. There's been a lot of high expectations from immunotherapy, for example, because we've seen some people having very long duration of the response. But with the cancer, it's very hard to use the word cure because sometimes even with the early breast cancer, we've seen people that relapse 30 years later. So as long as we can keep it under control and control all the symptoms related to the disease, that's great achievement. But we just know that the disease we're dealing with is chronic and relapsing even when we can control it. But we'll see, time will tell. Certainly, we've seen patients that have gone for years and years and sometimes had a break from treatment, and we just observe and watch and do just 3 monthly appointments, follow-ups. Maybe they are cured, but as I said, we're just very skeptical and cautious about saying that.
Yeah, and that's the case with me because I've been on Herceptin for 10 years.
That's right.
Cancer's apparently still there, but there's been no changes, no growth.
That's right. So particularly in HER2 positive disease,
Yes.
there's been and I had also a few patients that I stopped Herceptin as well, often because of the side effects, and then didn't have to start anything for a long time again. I think time will tell. We'll need to really have 20-30-year follow-up reported and published to say that there's and what percentage of people may get actually cure or sustained remission.
Well, maybe I'll be around in 10 years to add to that survey.
Yeah, so hopefully that's right.
Yeah.
We'll see.
That'd be good.